I'm going to show how to clean a shower head using calcium lime and rust remover called CLR. The minimal supplies needed are a jug of CLR, Teflon tape, crescent wrench, and channel lock pliers. If the shower head is not designed to receive a wrench, you can always use 2 pairs of channel lock pliers. My shower head is designed to receive a wrench, so I will be removing it using the crescent wrench and the channel locks. Begin by draping a cloth over the shower arm in order to protect the finish. Using the channel lock pliers, grasp the shower arm to secure it in place. You do not want to torque the arm when removing the shower head. Then secure the crescent wrench onto the nut of the shower head in this manner. Then loosen the shower head by turning the nut counterclockwise until it's loose enough to turn by hand. Once the shower head has been removed, clean the threads on the arm. Do the best you can to remove as much of the old Teflon tape or old paste using the point of a knife. Then take some Teflon tape and make a few wraps clockwise over the threads. The arm is now ready to receive the shower head once it's cleaned. Begin by cleaning the threads on the shower head in the same manner as you did the arm. Then prepare a 50-50 mix of water and CLR. I'm pouring 8 ounces of water into a container and 8 ounces of CLR. This should be enough volume to submerge the size of this shower head. Soak in this solution for no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Once the time is ended, finish cleaning the shower head in a sink. Using a scrub brush, scrub the head thoroughly in this manner. Be sure to take your time working every edge and crevice. Spend extra time on the spray holes to ensure clog-free passage. I find it a good idea to dunk the head into the solution repetitively, and then fill the cavity, shake, and dump. And finally, rinse off using cold water. The shower head can now be reinstalled. Return to the shower arm, threading the shower head into place. Hand tighten, and then finish tightening until snug using the tools. Do not over-tighten. You do not want to damage the threads or the fixtures. The shower is now ready to use.